As a doctor, what's the most shocking thing to transpire while delivering a baby? A woman over 300 pounds came into the emergency room late one evening, complaining of severe pain down there. I introduced myself and explained that I needed to perform an examination. Before starting, I asked her a routine question. Is there any chance you could be pregnant? She shook her head firmly. No, I'm not pregnant, she replied with absolute certainty. As I prepared for the exam, I couldn't help but notice her discomfort growing by the second. I reassured her as best I could, then began the examination. That's when I froze. To my complete surprise, I saw the unmistakable crown of a baby's head pushing through. I blinked, thinking I had to be mistaken, but there it was. I looked at her and said, "Ma'am, you're pregnant. You're in labor, and your baby is crowning." She stared at me, wide-eyed. "I can't be pregnant," she insisted, her voice rising. "It's not possible." At this point, there was no time to argue. The baby was coming, and fast. With a nurse assisting, we delivered the baby, a healthy infant, within minutes. Once the delivery was complete, I handed the baby to the nurse, who then carefully placed the newborn in the mother's arms. The room was silent for a moment before the woman looked down at the baby and said with complete conviction, "That's not my baby." The nurse and I exchanged stunned glances. To this day, it remains one of the most baffling deliveries I've ever